The next method that we're going to look at is the square root property. So if you have a square term, you can eliminate the square by taking the square root of both sides. When taking the square root of both sides of an equation, we must put a plus minus, and this is to account for both solutions. So for example, if you have the equation x squared is equal to 9, both positive 3 and negative 3 make this equation true, because 3 squared is 9 and negative 3 squared is also 9, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So when we take the square root of both sides, we put x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. So number 7 is 8x squared is equal to 40. And my first step is going to be to isolate the square term. So I want to isolate the x squared, which means I want to divide both sides by 8. So x squared is equal to 5. Next I want to take the square root of both sides. So I have x is equal to the square root of 5, but I can't forget to put my plus minus. So my answer is x is equal to plus or minus square root of 5. Now if you wanted to write the two answers separately, you could put x is equal to the square root of 5 and x is equal to the negative square root of 5.